What is this?
It appears the Sony protected us during the crash.
Well, at least we're not dead.
He must not reach the clock.
Thanks for the help, guys. What? I'll give them back.
We do not have a lot of time. Destroying the Armada will not keep Nefarious away from the clock for long.
There's no time to contact galactic authorities. That means it's up to us. Come on. There's gotta be a ship somewhere on this backwater planet.
Praise Orvis! I have visitors! Have you come to hear about the historic Battle of Gimlick Valley?
Actually, we're trying to stop an evil mastermind from...
Splendid! It all started years ago, when I was just a child.
Hey, what I say?
Chief Zahn Gribnak was manning his post at the Arundai outpost, when suddenly... Desperate to protect our village, Gribnak led a team of undertrained, poorly equipped soldiers into battle. Sadly, victory would not be theirs. Chief Gribnak and his noble lot were captured, imprisoned, briefly pardoned, imprisoned again, and killed. The death of Zahn left us defenseless. Without him, Commander Argos laid waste to our village by destroying the Arundai floodgate. It was a crushing defeat.
That was fucking horrible.
Oh, if only Zahn had been here to defend us against Argos. I guess you can't change the past.
Can't change the past, eh?
Ratchet, I believe I may have a way to help the Fongoids and give us a ride. Head to that time rift. Sigmund, come in. I need you to stabilize a time portal into the Battle of Gimlick Valley.
Accessing Breakus Onic now, sir. Got it. Stabilizing time rift in 3, 2, 1.
That's alright, yeah.
Attention, miserable creatures. This is Commander Argos. Pursuant to Article 17 of the Agorian Code of Interstellar Acquisition, this sector now belongs to me. Leave now, or face execution by firing squad.
Right, we're in the past. Let's go fix it.
You have to help us. The Agorians kidnapped our chief.
Do not worry. We are here to assist.
Talking lunchbox? Cool.
Stay behind me, kid. We'll save him.
Trust us.
Oh, that's rich. One Lombax against a Class 3 Agorian space cruiser. You should have left the galaxy with the rest of your kind.
Perhaps you kind of lead at once. That's fine. You are about to be off right here, right now. So I suggest you stand down right now. And I mean right now. It's over.
I can't swim. Mama! You little boo-boo needs help. Mama!
Good luck with that.
The Fongoids will remember this day forever. We owe them our gratitude. Is there anything we can do to repay you?
Well, if you see a few remaining Breakers, tell Kirtan's here.
Well, now that you mention it, we'd love to use that ship.
Well, it might take some time to fetch it out of the creek, but when we do, it's all yours. Now, if you'll excuse us, we must tend to the other villagers.
God bless you, sir. May your force be with you. Now, this is beautiful.
Oh, hey, you're early. The reenactment doesn't start until tonight.
Reenactment?
Well, sure! Of the historic Battle of Gimlick Valley. It was a shining victory in Fongoid history. Say, do I know you two? You look awfully familiar.
Probably in the legend books.
Nope. First time here.
And our second.
We were just admiring your Agorian space cruiser.
She's perfectly restored. I was going to take her up for the show, but her batteries are dead.
I believe we may be of assistance. If we were to bring back a few battery bots, would you allow us to borrow your ship?
Well, I suppose that'd be okay. So long as I got it back in time for the show.
Okay, then we'll do.
If you find any battery bots, just toss them into these charging stations. That should power up the Versa fuses. We've got full power! All right, she's all yours. Bring her back in one piece, okay?
Sure, one piece.
Okay. Altimeter, thruster, warp drive.
Perhaps we should read the instruction manual.
See? Nothing to it. And now the booster.
That is the radio.
Oh, hold on, I'll just...
No, call me
That knob
Maid.
wasn't supposed to pop off, wasn't it?
Why do I even bother?